choose now to sing our song. Oh, carry on. We can find a way and break away against the setting sun. Oh, carry on. Wounded hearts unite one, we march along. Oh, carry on. Wounded hearts unite one, we march along. We just carry on.
Christian at Rosette, dumating din ang araw na pinakahihintay ninyo. Itong araw na hindi nyo lang sinasabing gusto ninyo ang isa't isa, kundi ito ang araw na pinatutunayan ninyo at ipinapangako sa isa't isa ang mga katagang mahal kita.
The moment that I saw your eyes, I knew you were the one for mine.
To the love of my life, my best friend, my confidant, my number one supporter and cheerleader. Our long-held dream has finally come true. After so many years of waiting, praying, and hoping, here we are at last.
All my days, all my nights, every breath, all my life.
My dearest Rosette, standing here with you, I can't help but to reflect on our incredible journey. Wala nung binasted mo ako. Yung third year, buti na lang nag-try ulit ako.
Sa kwento ng inyong buhay, hanapin sana ninyo, Christian at Rosette, kung paanong ang Diyos ang kumilos upang sa kabila ng mga pinagdaanan ninyong mga karanasan dito sa Pilipinas at maging noong kayo'y nasa Milan, paanong pinagtagpo pa rin kayo ng Diyos, pinapanatili at higit sa lahat ngayon ay pinagbubuklod sa sakramento ng kasal.
All my days, all my nights, every breath, all my life, I'm giving you all I have to give. All my dreams, all my world, every heartbeat, all my love, I'm giving you all I have to give.
Hindi aksidente na nagkakilala kayong dalawa. Hindi aksidente na nahulog ang loob ninyo sa isa't isa. Hindi aksidente lahat ng naganap sa Italia. Ang totoo, ang Diyos mismo ang kumilos. Ang Diyos mismo ang nagsulat ng kwento ng pag-iibigan ninyong dalawa.
In the open air we close
It is a love story that I was afraid to begin at first, as we were still young at that time. But I saw how good your heart is and how your entire family welcomed and treated me as their own.
and the morning speaks these open dreams and we're
Rosette, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Christian na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
in the sunlight or underneath the moon.
Christian, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Rosette na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
It's all waiting for us.
Thank you.
Hi, Rosette. Hope you like my gift for you. Surely, mas babagay sa iyo to kapag nakadress ka na. See you later, my wife. I love you, Christian.
In the steady breeze, we feel the rush of expectation. Empty pages we can fill. Taking chances on a distant song that moves us forward. In the dark, we feel it still.
Ano man ang decisions mo, mga pangarap mo na gusto mo mabot, ay nandito lang ako to support you. I'll always be here to protect you, making sure that you always feel safe and loved. Chapter natin as husband and wife will be official na.
I'll go anywhere with you. In the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
I promise that God will be the center of our relationship from this day till the end of our lives. I love you. Yamo, hallelujah.
Everything happens for a reason. And I believe you have found the reason of your existence. You have found the reason of your life and love in each other's heart. God is the reason. God is the one who makes this marriage happen. And God also is the one who will make your marriage last for a lifetime. Christian, you may now kiss your wife.
It's all waiting for us.